Hey beauties, guess what? Revlon just sent me a really nice PR package sending their new lip balms and lip oils. So they were really kind enough to send me all the colors in their lip oils. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys every single color. This would be hitting the market very soon, so the package could not have come in a better time because I want you to see how beautiful these are. I kind of already tried one or two and I absolutely love it, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the colors. So I have so many colors here for you, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch every single one and show you. So I'm gonna do all the browns first. I think this is how I'll do it. So the first one I'm going to swatch is number 4, and it is bear that in mind, these are the lip oils. So this is how it's looking. This is number 4. I'm gonna do the next one is number 10, 010. Ooh, this one is very pretty. There we have it. This is the number 10. The next one is number 12. So they are all 0110 or 010 or 012. So this one is 012. And the last one, but not the least, in the brown tones is number 9. Such a pretty peach. Here we have it. So these are all the brown tones. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the colors as well now. The colors are really pretty. So the first one is number 1, which is pink, which is my favorite, like my daughter's favorite color, and she's obsessed with pinks. So this is the first one. Very soft baby pink kind of tone. These are all lip oils and I can already feel them. They are so hydrating and they make my lips look so lush. You will see in a minute. The next one I'm going to show is number 2. This one is more of a fuchsia pink, so it's gonna have a slightly more kind of pinkishy tone. The next one looks like a very nice coral shade. Not a vibrant red or anything, but more of a corally. And this one is number 3. Ow. Oh yeah, very pretty, kind of like a coral tone, as you can see. And last but not the least, I don't think so I have space, so I have to quickly wipe these off. And the last but not the least is number 8. So this one, oh wow, this one is going to be super duper nice and red, really nice red toned, as you can see. Look at it. Look at the reflex, man. These are so stunning. For today, I'm going to go ahead and use, I already have a really nice nude lipstick on, but I want to add a little bit more like a wet look kind of thing on my lips. I'm going to go ahead and use the shade 4. Once again, I want to tell you, these are Revlon Kiss Glow Lip Oil. They will be hitting the market very soon, so go check out your local drugstores. You can be able to find them very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and use 004. Like, I am really surprised. The way it's flicking is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use this right in the middle of my lips. Oh my god, they are so lightweight. Okay, I'm gonna use it in the middle on the top of my lip too. Look at it. Seriously, just look at it. So beautiful, so stunning. Just made my whole look to a completely different level with a hydrating and a moisturizing benefits to my lips. This is so beautiful. Sometimes I don't like lip oils because they can be really overpowering and they can be really sticky, but this one is very lightweight and very comfortable on my lips, and I can already feel it, like how hydrating this is. This is amazing. So as soon as they hit the market, go check it out, because I tell you, you're not gonna be disappointed. They are so good. Go check out your local drugstore now and look for the Revlon Glow lip oils. You're gonna absolutely love them.